Just... Tell us what we're doing.
We're climbing Snowdonia or Snowdon.
Right. Right, we're not trail running again, are we? Apparently we're trail running, Scarfell. Come on, pace yourself. It's a long way.
We need to get all the way to there.
Yep.
And we are nearly there.
Yeah, we're just not. We're miles away.
Nearly. We just go.
A very optimistic 6-year-old, considering we'd only been walking for 30 minutes at this point. So what mountain did we do first?
Scarfell Pike.
We did. How was that?
Good.
That's it.
I have a new hat.
Wow. Nice. Got up there.
Wow. Oh, yeah, that waterfall. Oh! The waterfall's there. Made it in.
Oh, Ollie, we've not spoke about your badge. Let me show people, look. So we got a badge, didn't it, last time? Are you going to get another badge?
Yes.
For this one?
Yeah. All the badges for the mountains.
Yep.
Wow.
You're at 500.
Oh, nice.
What?
How many steps have we done?
We've done. Oh, it doesn't tell me.
How are you feeling, mate?
Good.
Good? Bit tired?
No?
Right then, let's go then.
That's it.
Look at how big that ocean is. We climbed
You all right there, Wally? What are you eating?
chicken ballsy.
Chicken balls, eh? Right, I'm not quite sure that's what they call, but okay.
Chicken ballsy. And Dad, this is still going. The waterfall's still going.
Oh my god.
This is the
Huh? You okay?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
We're nearly at the top of Snowdon. This waterfall's been going for hours. We don't know where it's coming from. Do we, Dad? So, we're here to follow it. We're going to be up there. There's loads of fog, but we'll be able to make our way to the top.
Oh, it's getting great. It's okay then, I'll do it. It was very, very windy, as you can see here, especially at the top. Actually, further into the evening, there ended up being a yellow warning for wind and thunderstorms where our campsite was. So we ended up packing up and just driving home. It was just too dangerous and it just wasn't enjoyable. But anyway, Ben Nevis next. A change in circumstance means that we'll have to wait until next year now, which is a bit of a shame, but I guess something to look forward to. On to the next one.